Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this magnetic USB rechargeable weapon light with a green laser, normal light, also strobe function, rechargeable. So it has everything what we need. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. So here's the box with some additional description. We can see has 800 lumens, has a maximum range of 700 meters with the green laser and 150 meters with the flashlight, and the battery can last for up to 70 minutes, and it's solid build, so it can even resist a drop from 1 meter. Here also the detailed specs comes with this instructions manual. Here we have also the model type. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything nice and clear. Here we get a small Allen key. We can use that to adjust the laser light. Then we get the micro USB charging cable and the light itself, and everything comes nicely protected. That's also very good, even though of course again it's very solid build. This is solid metal, nothing to worry. It's very simple to mount it to a rail mount. We have this one screw where we can adjust the width. Just add it here and then secure it back with this screw. To turn the strong light on, we just push once here, then it goes into steady light. You can see how strong it is. We push again, goes into strobe light, and we push again, turns off. But we can turn it off also directly from the steady light with a long press, and this does not only work from this side but also from this side. So we have two buttons for the normal light, very convenient, so you don't have to look it up from which side you have to activate or deactivate the light. Underneath we have the green laser, and the green laser can be activated here from the top or actually underneath when it's mounted like that. So we push just once here, then we can see the very strong, very sharp laser light. It comes pre-adjusted. Also with a short push you can turn it off. If you think despite the pre-adjustment the laser is off, you can adjust it from the side with this included Allen key, or from underneath with this screw here, also with the Allen key. Super easy, and we can charge it from any USB-A plug here in the back. You can see it goes into red, and when it's fully charged it goes into green. So I mean everything works. It looks small, solid, sturdy build. The laser looks really good, strong, I would say. Definitely a laser from what I can say, not just like a fake laser or so. It is class 3R with lower than 5 milliwatts, so it's considered to be pretty safe, but of course don't point it in somebody's eyes, also not animals or so. But the good thing for the animals is, as far as I know, they cannot see screen, so that's definitely a good choice for hunting or so. Maybe it's not so good visible here, but I think here down here you can see that we can use the normal light and the laser pointer also at the same time if you want. The light itself is pretty wide, as you can see the angle. I mean, it's not a real narrow beam. And when they are saying yeah, it can go up to 150 meters, I mean, of course, you can see it from 150 meters. Even the center beam which they have is pretty wide. So in a distance of about 150 meters, it will be really, really wide. Maybe 20 meters or so wide, and then of course it's not possible to really illuminate something with just this little bit of light. I mean, on short distance it's very strong, but on 150 meters it probably won't do a lot anymore. But I haven't found any real problems or so. I think it's a nice build, everything looking good. And so if you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.